Look at that. Carolina blue. I believe it's 55 right now, and it's about 8:30. What are y'all doing?
Taking apart these printers.
How come?
Cause it's fun.
Got the new intake manifold on. Got one Cal custom valve cover in place. Bet I don't have enough of these little fancy wing nuts. But I'm gonna go ahead and put the other one on, put the carburetor on. And hook up my little line for the piece of E valve. And I might try to fire this thing up, see if it'll run. Alright, we're gonna try to fire this thing up. I got a bottle of new grape soda here. We'll see if that helps it out any. Give her a little drink. Get a screwdriver handy. It's a little rig I got set up for my engine test stand. I figured it might work here. Let's see what happens. This sounded promising. Choke open a little bit if I can figure out how to do it. Give her a little more healthy drink. We better hook our transmission lines together. Alright, let's try that again. That's what happens when you do something unrehearsed. But it's more exciting in it. I could have left it in drive and been running over myself. Still ain't picked up no gas. Come to think about it, we got a return line right here. That's ought to be pointing into something. We'll point it back into the gas can. Alright, we gotta admit, we've had one dry run here, but I rigged up a little electric fuel pump since the fuel pump wouldn't work and the bottle feeding it didn't work. Well, let's see if this thing will. That's all she wrote.